Okay, let's open some Lost Origins. Look at that. Get all them packs out. Oh, here we go. What do we got? Okay. Delphox. Oh, here's another chance. Here's the Giratina. It's gonna be in here. 2 Polytoads. 1 was not enough. Oh. Not a Giratina. Oh, here we go. Now I'm gonna do it. Oh. Yeah, that's a Vileplume. Okay. Look, okay, it's got Giratina on the front. It's gonna have it inside. Okay, a Roserade. Alright. Yep. Nothing. Ooh. Really nothing. Alright, here we go. Last pack. High-five the Ditto for good luck. Oh, did we get it? Hisuian Caesar. Alright, here's the